Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD nearing important support levels. http ntvforex.com news ID 39577. 7/15/2026 44:43 am. The TW $DXY continued the protracted downtrend yesterday that started at the end of June. Echo data were again of no big relevance, with German ZEW sentiment missing expectations and US inflation printing to close to consensus. Equity sentiment was a bit mixed. Europe opened in red, but underlying resilience intraday rebound later in the session provided a nihil obstat for a further USD decline. The TW dollar slipped to the 96.25 area, with the key June low 95.71 coming within reach. EUR/USD closed at the 1.14 big figure. The intraday trend in USD/JPY was again more indecisive, with the pair closing at 107.24 this morning. Most Asian indices are trading in positive territory, with China the exception. Equities are supported by positive headlines on a vaccine from Moderna. At the same time, tensions between the US and China are again mounting after President Trump ended the preferential status for Hong Kong. The yuan still trades slightly stronger near USD 7 Chinese yuan. The BOJ, as expected, left policy unchanged. It sees the economy contracting 4.7% in fiscal 2020, with a slow recovery later. USD/JPY is unmoved, holding a tight range in the 107.25 area. Today's Echo calendar contains the U.S. Empire Survey and June production data. Several Fed members are scheduled to speak, and the Fed will publish its Beige Book preparing the June 29 policy meeting. The Empire manufacturing might paint a constructive picture on the recovery in the region. Of late, the dollar developed a gradual downtrend. The move was supported by a constructive risk sentiment and a further decline of LT/US interest rates. US yields are nearing important support levels, and so does the TW dollar. There is no obvious trigger to row against this trend, but a pause slowdown might be on the cards. This also applies to EUR/USD. The pair recently was captured in buy on DIP's pattern. 1.1422 resistance is under test. A break toward the 1.1495 top probably needs help from a positive outcome of the EU summit later this week. Sterling remained in the defensive yesterday. Short-term negative UK interest rates and disappointing activity data May production GDP provided little ammunition to stop the GBP downtrend. EUR/GBP even briefly tested the 0.91 big figure. This morning, UK price data CPI 0.6% YY printed slightly higher than expected. The EUR 0.8950, pounds sterling 0.90 looks solid support, which we expect to hold. However, at current levels, quite some bad news is already be discounted for the UK currency. Download the full Sunrise Market Commentary Currencies. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.